For today's SharePoint tip, what we're going to do is show you how to upload documents into SharePoint. There are two common methods of doing this, which we will cover just now. However, please note that there are more methods of uploading documents into SharePoint depending on the browser that you're using and or any third-party software. So we'll take you through the process now of how to upload a singular document into a document library in SharePoint. First thing we'll need to do is navigate to a document library within your SharePoint site. Now in this example, we're using a SharePoint team site, and in the top navigation bar, the top link bar, we're going to use the Documents library. This is default for most SharePoint sites. Once you've navigated into your document library, we can now begin to upload our file. As I said, there are two methods of doing this, so we'll just walk you through the first just now. To upload your document, all you now have to do is click on the Upload button. From the Upload button, you can upload singular files, a folder, or a template. We'll cover folder and templates in other videos. So for this example, just stick to files. Once you've selected the Files button from the top item ribbon, it'll now take you into a file explorer. Here you can go through your computer and select the relevant file that you wish to upload. In this example here, I've got a GDPR policy, so I'm going to select the file and then click on the Open button. This will begin the upload to SharePoint. When the file has been added, you'll notice in the top right hand corner there will be a little status box appear telling you that the file is now available. You may also click on the status button here also to give you more information about the size of the file and the progress of the file for any larger file types. As you can now see, the file has been added into your document library. It's very straightforward, it isn't too difficult. Please note though, for some other document libraries, you may have to add additional metadata, you may have to check in the file once you've completed, and there may be other automation processes put into it. Every document library can be different, however, the method of uploading remains the same. As I said, there are two methods of uploading documents into SharePoint, and the second one is the ability to drag and drop. This is very popular for people working with multi-monitors, or just simply wanting to drag and drop something in very quickly from their desktop, for example. So here you can see I have a file explorer already open, and I have another, a data protection policy. Now it's worth noting that the file size here is considerably larger, and that is on purpose. We're going to show you what the progress bar looks like as well. So we're going to drag and drop the file from our file explorer into SharePoint. Let that go. As you can now notice, the file is uploading, and depending on the file size and your internet speeds, this may differ. Sometimes it can be quicker, sometimes it may take a bit longer. So this status bar will help us identify when our file is actually uploaded. So we'll give this a moment to complete. And there we have it, our file is now uploaded. And these are the two methods of uploading a document into a document library within a SharePoint site. And this is just one of the tips and tricks that you can use to get the most from SharePoint. However, if you want to know more, call one of our experts today who would be happy to help and talk to you in more detail about our in-depth training courses.